Hello friends, how are you? I am fine. Thank you very much, my brother. Please subscribe my channel and your like, comment, share. Friends, very important site is the Pinterest. Pinterest is a present time the worldwide highly search engine ranking website. The Pinterest. The lot of client, lot of customer, lot of people that need personal use and Pinterest pin and board, the lot of pin and board, the home create on Pinterest is to Pinterest Pinterest site in lot of website, and the very important side is the Pinterest. Pinterest, a lot of picture, videos, short videos, and pin. This is the picture. Is name of pin. The pin create nice pin create the Pinterest website. The your any business link and affiliate link, marketing link and picture poster, etc, the how to earn money, make money on Pinterest site. Pinterest is a very excellent and search engine optimization website. The lot of people the buying the Pinterest post and Pinterest pin and design and board create, etc, but this is the Pinterest site. Pinterest very easy and simple, or the Pinterest website the very easy, the lot of website, the free online website create in Pinterest pin and board. This is the website, the lot of website, the Pinterest pin and kit design very easy, and the second search Canva pin design template, and the how to search Google on Canva pin design template, the free custom and studios on Pinterest, free and custom pin and Pinterest, how do a pin design with Canva, the lot of website, this is the free customize the instant Pinterest pin template Canva, choose from thousand of a free ready to use and template on Canva. The who do I create and Pinterest post, create a pin from an image or videos, look in your Pinterest account, create, click create and template and scan, etc. The create a Pinterest from the image or videos and Pinterest help. This is the Pinterest site. I can create a, first time the Canva login any email account. The users Canva sign up or Canva login and Canva login. I create design and Pinterest starts on PIN. Pinterest pin design. The Pinterest pin design the 1000 by 15 pixel, 1080 by 19. I can choose the first Pinterest ad, the lot of picture Pinterest pin 1015 Pinterest videos and total Canva design lot of. Uh, I can choose the Pinterest pin 1050 pixel. This is the Pinterest. Okay, just hold on. The lot of free and paid Canva, lot of Pinterest pin design, your product, your card, your business, any type of business. Lot of free and pro videos and Pinterest. Just picture, food picture, very easy and simple. This change your name, your company name, and change your thumbnail type. Lot of people and foods. You change color, change color, and our others image select in Pinterest. Very simple, like easy to say. Create an Pinterest pin and board. I can apps and the Pixabay or Pixel. pixel. Any picture, lot of picture. I can search food. Lot of picture food. I can select another Pinterest as like burger. Okay, this is the change color burger. Okay, burger. Okay, just lot of picture. You can choose any picture burger. A lot of item food meat apple. Just your right name, your name XYZ. Just your any name. Okay. So very easy to say create Pinterest. Thank you very much. Best of luck.